Hi Mansi, good morning.
Good morning, Dee.
How are you?
Good, very good.
And what you do today? What you do? Are you doing something? Okay, you are ironing cloth. I have left too much cloth. Can you iron those cloth?
Yes. Send all those clothes to
You will
Alarm.
come here. When will you come here?
Everyone is asking that when you will come here. Ankita Di was saying when you will come here. Mama was saying when you will come here. You are saying when you will come here.
Because everyone need Mansi.
Mansi does nothing, but still everyone wants.
So what you prepare for your day, like what you will do today?
And a lot of things, you know. So first I have to go to see the dentist.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll go in library. Then I have to attend my classes. Then the kids were saying there is a book fair. I was thinking of going there.
Okay.
So you can exchange your old books and get some books that you want to read. I was thinking of going there. Let's see. Uh, I'll try to go to
Okay.
there. And yeah, all day
So
lot of things.
so you done your breakfast? You have eaten?
I haven't eaten anything. I'll eat
Oh my
after
God,
some time.
now I think 9 o'clock.
Yeah, I'll just get bath and then I'll go and eat.
Okay. So why you are too late today? What time you
I
get up?
it just I knew I have to go to see the dentist and he always checks very late. So I thought, all right, I have to go late so I can be little lazy today.
Yeah, good. And Bhabhi, what she is doing?
She is busy. She's very busy. I think she is taking bath.
Mhm. Okay, so Mansi, I am calling you my English practicing for my English practicing.
So
That's
we
way.
are practicing already, right?
Your English very good.
Well, practicing, right? You know when we
But
brought this,
I
you
learn
know,
gradually. I will learn. Huh?
you remember this kurti? Do you remember this kurti?
No.
This
I
kurti I brought purchased by Mama for Ankita Di when she came first time in Bhopal. I think it's quite old. So my old clothes are very old. So I have this kurti was given to Mani Di by Ankita Di. Then my
Mhm.
Mani Di don't wear, so I wear this.
So buy some new kurti. Why you collect money?
Not that I purchased very pretty kurti. I'll wear in my birthday and then I'll show you. Very pretty, very cute.
Give me that kurti because your
You will
cloth
not,
and my cloth.
you will not able to. That is it. You have
I
this
am
stuff.
I
I
I am also fit
I mean,
big.
you have belly fat, little bit belly fat extra, then you will not able to wear it because it's fit. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Don't worry, I lose it. I lose it.
Not lose it.
So you buy for me like this kurti. You will buy.
Okay, I'll send you the link. You
I
can.
know. I don't know how to order. I not use.
Birthday is coming. You have to give good gift because you are also my second mother.
Second one.
You adopted me, right?
Yeah, right.
You're adopted. I have seen wear some very good shirts.
Okay. So
Maybe could
where you wear shorts in Bhopal? Yeah, in
so
village.
shorts, nice shirt.
Okay. Shirt. Okay, that's good.
शॉर्ट तो
Shirt.
मैं घर में भी नहीं पहनती.
Then I asked you.
I believe we are half sleeves.
Okay. I know very well. You know, when I wear, I feel uncomfortable. After that, I didn't wear like this cloth.
When here I feel wow, they are wearing it's very beautiful. It looks very pretty. But when it
You know,
comes to like,
when other people wear, so I feel, yeah, that's good. She looks very good. But in my time, I not comfortable. I not feel comfortable.
same.
Everyone have their
When I
own
went
choice.
when I went Ahmedabad to Ankita Di, she given lots of clothes to me, and I am wearing all those. It's very fun when you are a younger sister, you know.
Yeah.
The pocket money you get, you have to just spend on yourself. And when it comes to clothes, you can get from all your sisters.
Yeah, you are right. I want younger.
You want to be younger.
Yeah, I
Next,
want to be.
next time. This time. So
I'm
there
also,
is pro, listen, there is pro and cons of being younger. So like you get lot of stuff that is pro. But the con is like no one listen to you. No one take you seriously, you know.
yeah. Everyone take you. I take you seriously.
You know, I remember I really liked, you know, following our elder sister all the time. Literally, I was very small, and everyone was doing their work. I never had much friends. I always met my sister's friend. All the time, what I did, I followed my sisters all the time. I barely make any time to make friends.
Yeah, you know, you and Mani both study one class. That's why. If you study another class, so
So, see, we both study in the same time, but still Manidi had a lot of friends. Everyone wanted to be friend with Manidi.
why?
And I followed her. And I'm like, अरे ये मेरी बहन है, दूर हटो इससे.
So why you not made friend?
I made one, two. So one is my best friend, another is Manidi best friend is my best friend too.
You know, same did Bandana Didi. When I made friend, so Bandana Didi छीन लेती थी. Yeah.
लाइक वो ना फ्रेंड्स बनाती है ना सिर्फ से कि खुद की फ्रेंड्स बना ना मेरी फ्रेंड्स को क्यों पकड़ रही है.
Yeah, sometimes I feel very irritated when I means when I fight each other कि आपने मेरी फ्रेंड से क्यों वो किए हो, अपने क्लास की लड़कियों से दोस्ती करो, मेरे क्लास वाली से क्यों करते हो, वो मेरी है, मीन्स या वी आर फाइट ईच अदर दिस पॉइंट.
That's what I does. That's what I does all the time. I like she makes friends, she introduce them to me, and I'm like, chal, we are best friends. को कॉल करेंगी फिर अपन की ज्यादा बात होगी फिर मैं लाइक
वो भी
how
क्या
much
चीज.